Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Freelancer.com profile optimization to earn more detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin optimizing your Freelancer.com profile, log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile section. Review your profile picture and ensure it is professional and high quality. Next, write a compelling headline that reflects your skills and expertise. In the overview section, provide a brief summary of your experience and what you can offer clients. Be sure to highlight specific skills and relevant achievements in your overview. Add your relevant work experience under the work history section. List past projects that showcase your skills effectively. Include detailed descriptions of each project and your role in it. Next, upload samples of your previous work that illustrate your capabilities. This could include documents, graphics, or links to online portfolios. Set an appropriate hourly rate based on your experience and market standards. Ensure it reflects the value you provide as well as the competition on the platform. Proceed to fill in your skills section with a mix of both general and niche skills. Choose at least 5 skills that are relevant to the type of work you wish to pursue. Make sure to take Freelancer.com skill tests to showcase your abilities. These tests can bolster your profile and help you stand out to potential clients. After that, seek out client testimonials or reviews from previous work, if available. Add these testimonials to your profile to build credibility and trustworthiness. Next, update your availability status so clients know when you can take on new projects. Additionally, consider joining relevant freelancer contests to increase visibility. Participating in these contests can improve your profile rating and attract clients. Regularly revisiting and updating your profile will keep it fresh and relevant. Finally, engage with the freelancer community by participating in forums. This can enhance your networking opportunities and further develop your freelance career. By following these steps, you will create an optimized profile that appeals to potential clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.